What's up guys, so we are here at Modball UK as you can see. It is very cold, so let's try and make this quick. Let's go down the start line. We have some lovely 911 Carrera GTS just here. We'll throw in some shots of that. We have a really wicked, it's Performante, isn't it? We'll have a little walk down and I'll take you to my car and I'll tell you just a very quick little bit about it, but I'm sure all you want to see is driving footage, so we'll just cut to that a bit. We've got quite a few cars here. I think it's about 80 cars. We've got TG's car just here, which is lovely. We've got Jordans. Then we of course have my lovely car. So today we are driving from London, so we're at the O2, I'm not sure if you can see, no, it's somewhere, London O2, and we're going to be going to Edinburgh, so I don't know, that's like 400 miles or something like that. Do it in one day, and then we stop over somewhere called Blenheim Palace. So for now, that is it, it's very cold, going to go inside, so yeah, see you later. Right, so we are probably around Birmingham or something like that. We took a wrong turn, we lost basically all of the cars. We had all these cars like Lamborghini Performante, we had, what else? We had Ferraris, R8s for days, everything. And we were like, oh,
Dave,
like, hang on a minute.
Just spoke to the geese at the Lambo and they're about 10 miles ahead, but he said that the toll bit, take it easy, apparently there's a speed trap.
Fuck it. Anyway, we got a radio so we can speak.
Depending on my location, I'm not quite sure.
Alright, okay, cool. So we'll keep an eye out for
These radios are like the best thing ever for this. That's
so
what helps.
If you ever go on a car rally, get radios because yeah, it's just nice to be able to talk to each other. But it's been fun. It's been fun. We've been absolutely flooring it up to 70 miles an hour and no higher than 70 miles an hour, of course, because that would not be legal. We went to somewhere called Blenheim Palace, I think.
Lovely
really
place.
Cool. I didn't get much footage there because I was just looking at the cars.
Good sausage rolls.
Well, you have sausage rolls, I'm vegetarian, I had cake.
Lots of it.
Lots of cake. So we are, I guess we're what, a third of the way?
Yeah,
maybe
we've got about 4.5 hours left.
4.5 hours. Already had a little petrol stop, which is all good. That was about like 80 quid fill up. How's it going, Jordan?
Tiring, mate. My neck hurts.
What have you got there? Monster.
Drugs, mate.
It's because you're a monster.
Yeah, mate. I need that caffeine because I've been racing all day and my neck and legs hurt. The clutch is heavy on here, but it's good.
Fucking hell, he doesn't half whine, does he?
Well, we're having
guys. God! We are at the, I don't know, the 10th pit stop. Everything is all fueled up. We've got the GT3 RS, we've got the Lamborghini Performante, we've got the GT4, and I think we're ready to go. Nice bit of road all day, but The problem is, we got a little notification or a little heads up saying that there might be police around. Right, we are stopping off at what I think will be the last pit stop for the day, about an hour and 10 minutes before we get to Edinburgh. We've got this lovely Ferrari coming in. We've got a nice M3, I want to say. Right in Perth.
I tell you what, we pulled his pants down.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
He was a baby though. We had him
bless
decked.
him.
Did you deck?
Yeah.
Good man. I knew I
He
could
kept
run
his
up.
fucking decked him.
It was like that, and then when we got to 6,000, it was like just pulled off, car like
Monster, innit?
just
Is it six?
third to
Back,
fourth. It's
yeah.
like bang! It's like second.
Here we are inside the Performante. Oh my goodness. Look at all the forged carbon. I think in terms of car goals, this has to be absolute car goals. Maybe guys, if this video gets 1 million likes, I will buy a Lamborghini Performante. Smash the like button.
So, Johnny, how does this feel?
Feels good, we're finally here. We made it. Time to get out of the car. Right, that is it. We have made it to the finish line. We're actually the last people to turn up at the finish line, so we're just going to walk through some of these cars. It took us, I don't know how long it took us, I don't even know the time.
About 7 hours.
I think it's 6 o'clock now, we left at like 7 AM, so that doesn't really make sense, like 11 hours. But we made it here in good time. Obviously you've seen the video, you've seen all the driving within the speed limit that we did. All very, very controlled, which is good. If you did like the video, then make sure you, of course, like the video, smash that thumbs up button, be subscribed if you like this sort of content, and of course, stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye. Bye!